Alright, so in order for you to get your Tech ID, they need you to try to register for a class. And so you need your Star ID to do that. And so we were trying to work out was first go to normandale.edu. Pops up at the home page. You then can click on this D2L button over here. D2L pops up. This is where you need your Star ID. So you type in your Star ID. I'll put in mine. There, got the right password. Once you're in D2L, you then look at the top. There's a button that should say e-services. Click on that, and then you can log in. Oops. Once you're in here, then you can register for anything. The idea is you literally just want to register for anything that's available to register for. So anything in the fall is fine. So fall 2021 is good. You might want to pick a math class since you're trying to register for that. We could then search. We're going to try and register for the top 3. So we're going to go to the last page. And then this is all of the calculuses. So we go to calc 2, I guess. And then try to add it. So you click the add button. Or no, add to wish list. Click on the class. And then see if you can register. Or click add, there you go. Course has been added to wish list. Click OK to read my plan. So then it should. So it's going to add to your wish list. Now you click on it and you click select courses to proceed to register. Once you click this, it then it will say you can't register for it probably, hopefully. And then it will generate a student ID for you. So this is my student ID. So you won't have one yet. So you click this. Once you get your student ID, you should email it to me.